I got these bath towels, as you can see. They're just a normal bath towel. They're super thick. They're not going to rip. They are disposable, so you can just throw them away. I have been wanting to try these for a little while now, and this is my second time opening a package. I used the first one last night. It's super soft, and it absorbed everything from last night after I got out of the bath. As you can see, it can wrap around my body a whole lot, so it wraps entirely around my body. These would be really good if you're going camping and you don't want to bring a bunch of regular towels like these ones and you just want to throw something away. A little more information about them. These are disposable. Like I said, they are gentle and they can be used for gentle skin. So if you have really gentle skin, this isn't going to rash it up, affect it, harm your skin in any way. You can just take these and throw them away in the trash can, or when you get them wet, you can just quickly throw them away right after the use. These are 1 to 2 uses only. You don't want to use these multiple times because, like I said, they are paper, so you're not going to want to keep using them. But they are a thick paper, so I'm pulling and they're not ripping. So just to see how absorbent they are, I'm going to run them under my bathtub. And as you can see, it absorbed all that water and I still have so much towel left. So if you're looking for some disposable towels, these are definitely a good choice and I can't wait to keep using them. I'm going camping soon, so I'll be using these then. But I'm Kenzie and I'll see you next time.